Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Estima. It comes with 58,820 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. We'll start down here first. As y'all can see, they were lit up and now they did go away. We're going to take a look up here. The number that you're seeing at the bottom, 94,662, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 58,820. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Starting with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.